Alright, so there it is, guys. The ceramic burner. It's freezing in here. Let's fire this thing up. I want to mention that this nozzle is a high flow oil nozzle. This nozzle is not meant for propane. So we might not see the high velocity activity we're accustomed to with these nozzles on propane. This is made for waste oil. I'm just testing it. Okay, so we baked the ceramic right off of that bad boy. This nozzle needs position. This is a horrible position. So we need to set that real quick. Got a wrench, some gloves, and yeah, we literally just caught baked on ceramic on fire. It burst into flames. Not a good scenario. See what we got here. I'm gonna light this and do it on the fly. That's how much fuel we're tightening up into that flame there. It's about the max setting for this tiny combustor. Let's see how small we can get it. Probably have to adjust the nozzle to get it to do any better than that. Pretty big lazy flame. Yeah, this is not a high-speed nozzle for these low air velocities. Not good for low speed. Without air assist. All right, guys, so based on that observation, VHT ain't worth a damn.